Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beer can cowboy hat. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need about 12 to 18 empty beer cans, ensuring they are clean and dry. Grab some sturdy scissors or tin snips for cutting, and a hot glue gun with plenty of glue sticks. Finally, select a durable cowboy hat that will serve as the foundation for your unique creation. Now, let's prepare your beer cans. Using your scissors or tin snips, carefully remove both the top and bottom of each can. Next, make a single lengthwise cut down the side of each can, allowing you to flatten them into sheets. Be sure to smooth out any sharp edges to prevent injury. A quick wipe ensures they are clean and ready for the next step. It's time to start assembling your hat. Begin by applying hot glue to the back of a flattened can piece and firmly pressing it onto the brim of your cowboy hat. Overlap each piece slightly, by about 1/4 of an inch, to create a continuous, scaled effect. Gradually work your way around the brim, then move up to cover the crown, ensuring every edge is securely attached. To complete your masterpiece, carefully inspect your hat for any loose edges and reinforce them with a bit more hot glue. For an extra flair, you might consider adding a decorative hat band or some trim around the base of the crown. Allow the entire hat to dry completely for several hours to ensure maximum durability. Now, you're ready to proudly wear your custom beer can cowboy hat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.